Here I've got Qilive 5039D, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications right here, then go to the settings, locate and open Smart Manager and click on battery. Here you have to go to detail right here and then select the battery percentage tab. So if you would like to see your battery percentage in the status bar, just tap on the switcher. As you can see, the current level of the battery appeared here, and actually I will leave it. It's really useful feature, so you have the information about the level of the battery. And this is it. So that will be all. So you can quickly and easily activate the battery percentage in your device in your Qilive 5039D. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.